This is part two, question one. What colleges did you apply to? I applied at IIM, ABC, LKIS, and the new IIMs, SPJIMR, XLRI, MDI, and IIFT. What calls did you get? What did you convert? I was shortlisted for IIM Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore, the new IIMs, SPJIMR, XLRI, MDI, and IIFT. And in the end, I converted IIM Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Indore, SPJIMR, XLRI, and MDI. How did you prepare for these calls and how many hours did you prepare? What did you read to prepare? I was super busy with personal work, did not spend too much time preparing for each college interview, maybe 2 hours a day, but I already had a habit of following what was happening in the world, which gave me a solid foundation. I always encourage people to read to enjoy and not just mug information up. You must replace the time that you spend on social media or any other leisurely activity like gaming and read newspapers and articles online. There is so much knowledge to be gained out there for free that we just have to make the most of it. And also collaborate with people. I was lucky to have few dedicated friends who'd share knowledge from their respective domains, and we would always discuss and help the other come up to speed. How was the interview experience? Right. Interviews with LKI and MDI followed a very formulaic approach. They'd start off with a self introduction, delve into either something that they found interesting in your form or intro, or else tick boxes related to ACADS, work experience, extracurriculars, and general knowledge. It is very important to have a strong introduction so that will help you drive the conversation with the panel. If it is boring or open ended, they'll ask you questions out of thin air. They interview hundreds of candidates every day. So the onus is on us to make sure that we stand out from the rest and make it a dialogue instead of a question and answer. My interviews with XLRI and Amanda were such that they were conversations on who I was as an individual and what I had accomplished in life so far. I played to my strengths and they were probably the most fulfilling interviews that I had. SPJIMR had a group interview process in February and it was an interesting experience. They do not wish to put you under stress and they just want to know you better as a person. They gauge on how well you know yourself and the clarity you have on the specialization that you've chosen in the form. What helped you convert your calls? Just being myself, having a conversation with the panel instead of trying to showboat or impress them with my knowledge. I was very clear as to why I wanted to do an MBA, and that is probably what helped me make a strong impression. What type of questions did you have in the interview? It all starts with the self introduction. I nailed it in a few interviews and I did not in the others. The ones that I did flowed into a natural conversation with the panelists, and the ones that did not turned into a Q&A section, which I miserably failed to perform due to my lack of preparation. Expect questions on your background, work experience, extracurricular interests, general awareness about what is happening in India and the world. Recall one interview experience. Okay. I can share my IIM Ahmedabad interview experience. It was late February and we had the AWT first. I was under pressure to perform because it was my best call and I was not confident at all due to my preparation. It started with a self introduction, which complemented the form I had filled as part of the process, and the panelists built on from that. We talked about my experience in the family business, the automobile retail industry, my time working as an employee at Goldman, and how they've been doing recently. They asked me a couple of questions from my educational background as well, and it was more of a discussion than an interview at a point of time. We concluded with a short exchange on what my interests outside academics and professional life were. And each topic we talked about, they would offer contrarian views and question my line of thinking. But I defended my views well and reasoned out why I said something the way it is. I was satisfied with my performance and I felt that I could not do any better. I would have accepted any outcome, accept or reject. In the end, I was waitlisted in general category at 29 and I converted Ahmedabad in the second list. Any tips for students? It'll be overwhelming if you start late with reading news. So I'd recommend starting right away after CAT ends, irrespective of how you perform, because this is a habit that you're going to need for the rest of your life. Form a group of people who you can collaborate with and discuss about ongoing issues or topics. It becomes easier to remember if you have conversations about the events happening across the world. Patrick sir and Rochelle ma'am have an extensive checklist for farming answers about yourself and your background. So leverage that to the fullest. The goal is to make sure that every answer is natural and that you're not spitting or vomiting out what you've prepared. Learn more about the interview institutes and do mock interviews. It'll help build confidence. Likewise with group discussions, do enough so that you can see incremental changes in your performance and make the most of each the feedback you get. Just be the best version of yourself in the interview and do not worry about the results, irrespective of where you land in the end. Good luck for CAT 21 and the journey ahead. It is a transformative process that will push you out of your comfort zone, but for the better. If I could do it, then you can as well. Thank you and hope to see you next year as juniors.